sailing on. Please don't go. Stay a while. So very cold. Where I don't know.
Hello everyone, this is actually Wednesday night for me, and about 3 o'clock, 3:30 Thursday morning is the real time. I threw this stuff out here for Hank from a different place because he's wallering a big old hole over there, and I'm feeding him over here. And I watched these puppies. That little female right there went over there. She knows how to get in there, in and out. That male pup is still trying to figure out how to get in there. Well, I guess he'll figure out once his sister teaches him. That little female right there has, remember that big white spot, has a lot of intelligence. So I'm keeping that in my mind as these pups are growing up, for me to pick the one female. That male, he'll probably more likely make it. There's a high percentage of good males come out of my bloodlines. On the female side, there's not been a whole lot, so I need to improve in that department of producing top-notch females to carry this line on. We'll be back in a little bit. I got this whole sack of goodies to throw out to him, and y'all see him play with the sack. We'll see if he'll knock the sack around a little bit once he gets done eating. Well, Hank ran off to the back there. Here he comes. Because that mule came. Y'all know he don't like the mules. But he been in his pen a while. I blurred my camera. Alright, I blurred my camera. Y'all see the white mule? That's Pistol. He's the gelding. He's the one that's out of the quarter horse mare. Nice mule. Really nice mule. Ain't no other puppy got in that pen yet. These are treats that I'm throwing out. So to get them, you know, you got to come in this pen and remember. She remembers she's going to get nice and get these treats. Hank has done put that half, I guess it's about a 30-gallon cut off bottom of a plastic barrel. Knocking stuff around, he done put it in that water deal. That water's not too bad. There's the mule. There's old Hank. I'm gonna throw this paper bag in there. See if he'll knock it around a little bit. Yeah. He loves playing with them paper bags. That's all you gonna do to it? Nah, he was still eating. I hope you get smarter as you learn, son. He's a nice looking pup. I'm also trying to bring back some of the open mark dogs. There's a lot of them got a lot of black on them and blanket bagged and what's considered pretty. I like different patterns and stuff. I'm just tired of looking at the look that everybody wants. If that dog right there has some nice leg on him and a nice big head, them different patterns makes him unique. My daddy said if you had a dog that wasn't colored right, even if he did win the world hunt, nobody'd breed to him. That's the way they kind of thought in the olden days. But I think now the way coon hunting is, ain't many people around. They want coon dogs. They don't care what they look. They're doing crossbred dogs. So looks ain't, it's the ability these days. The ability is what's gonna bring these hounds back on the map. That's what I'm trying to bring back. This bloodline was in all across the nation for many years. Many years. We're gonna put the coon hunting back into coon hounds. Gotta have the nose. Mine's got pretty good nose. Like I said, they might not be the best hounds. He went to kicking that sack around. Y'all look at Mule scared him. They scaring each other out here. Been raised with each other for a while. Well, Hank's not quite a year, so. Anyway, we're gonna end this because you see him? He's big, y'all. You are gonna have to smarten up, son, and I can't teach you that. You're gonna have to learn stuff on your own. Alright, y'all, appreciate it. If y'all like these videos, give me a thumbs up, be much appreciated. Share, comment, share the videos out. Facebook, Twitter. Appreciate y'all. Well, now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm taking little Fenry to school. Look at this. Y'all get to see daytime. That's the big old rig. There's the old pistol. Y'all see the pups in the daytime. I got another one around here. There's the old pistol. That's April. That's Pistol. That's the one you seen when it was in the dark. Come on. We vlogging, y'all. I didn't know I was going to add this on to the end of this. That little meow. Little meow. I gotta go put them up. I don't let them run loose. I let them run loose at night. A few hours a day. Little Fenry! Come on, little Fenry! I'm Virio and I'm vlogging. We vlogging, y'all. It's Vlogzember. Alright, y'all. We'll see y'all later on. Gotta go put these suckers up.